session is not going to be on AI. This session is about thinking outside of the composition. Yes, we do going to speak about Terraform and Crossplane. But before, Leo, tell us about Monday.
Yeah. It's working? Yeah, so Monday is basically think about a very, very big database with an amazing UI that you can run workflows, dashboards, do some automations, and much more. But Elhay, do we have AI in Monday?
Yes, so I was also part of it. So Monday Magic is like a solution that you can go prompt with it, and then if you click on it, so you can get like a predefined solution as you wish, and then you can go and get also cool video from your solution, and it's ready to work. What about agents?
Yeah, so we have agents. You can run agents on Monday platform. You can run it on your data, or you can run it without your data. The agents can basically talk to your customer, fill the boards, fill the tables, get information, and do many things with your data on Monday.
It's all about the app. So everyone knows Base 44, Lovable, and such. So inside Monday, we have also like a solution that you can build app on top of your board. It can be a dashboard, form, or whatever you like. Click on it, and then you have an application running fit to your board. Franco, how it's built behind the scenes?
So Monday has 4 products. One is the CRM for sales, Monday Dev for developers, Monday Service for IT and management, and Work Management for managing projects.
So what is the technology behind it?
We have 300 microservices. Each microservice has about 20 or 30 resources.
What is a resource?
So a resource is basically any cloud resource, XUS, SNS, secret, everything.
Stay tuned. We are good in presentation. You will see something missing now. How many regions do we have?
We have 4 regions, EU, US, AU, and now next month we're opening the 4th one in Israel.
And 2 environments, right?
Yeah, we have the production and the pre-production.
How many cooks in the kitchen?
We have more than 500 developers in Monday.
Cool. So, Franco, tell us about yourself.
Yeah, so my name is Leo. I'm a tech leader at Monday. I have 3 kids. I really love technology and mostly AI.
So my name is Elhay. I was in Monday. Now I'm a former staff engineer in Monday, and now I'm in Dream. Dream is a startup. I am father of 4, 3 girls and 1 boy. Building platform and not scripts. Let me tell you about Dream. So as you see, Dream is about cybersecurity for governments and countries. We are helping countries and government with AI to solve like critical issue with many cyber actors, super sophisticated actors, and we are changing the matrix between people that are getting attacked to governments, and we are really helping them. So come work with us. So let's do a simple calculation. So we said 30 resources, 4 regions, 2 environment, and 300 microservices. We have more, but never mind. So without the developer, it's 72,000 resources that we need to manage. It's a lot.
And we are growing.
Cool. So basically, what was our problem? So Franco, go ahead.
So the infra rollout changes is basically completely detached from the application rollout, and the resources are only met in production. This creates problem. Sometimes the resources are not synced. Also, sometimes, unfortunately, people go to AWS, make some changes in the UI, and then we have some drifts between the configuration, the desired state, and the actual. And we are using Terraform, and we have the Terraform language, which is the Terraform language.
So what did we do?
We started working with Crossplane, where Crossplane is basically a unified interface that we serve and provide for all the resources, both the application and the infra.
So as you know, Terraform has like TerraGrant or whatever that you can control environment and regions and such, but it's up to bottom. So everything that you do, you need to go resource by resource and configure it automatically or manually. You need to define your CI/CD pipeline and such. What we actually did, Franco, you want to tell us about Crossplane?
Yeah. Crossplane is a Kubernetes operator. For those who don't know, all the resources that we are managing are being saved on the Kubernetes etcd. Every resource has a state on the Kubernetes etcd. There's the reconciliation loop of Crossplane, and we know and we can see the actual state between the desired and the actual, what we have on, what is the status of the resource itself. And Elhay.
So cool. By doing that, it means that you are building an architecture of a platform. So you need to design it well. You need to be smart and select between two opinionate solutions to super generic solution that each one of them has benefits and low light and highlight. So you want to see how we did it?
Crossplane basically, it's a YAML configuration eventually. And there was a simple, they have simple solutions like patch and transform. So we started with that, but very, very fast we figured that it's missing a lot of capabilities that we need.
It was super hard.
Yeah. So we switched to KCL, and KCL is basically a new language. It's a functional language, typed language. We can import the resource schemas to the IDE, and we can work on those schemas. It's language that supports running unit tests and end-to-end tests and much, much more. It really helped us move fast and move safe with Crossplane to production. But Elhay, what if someone deletes a resource in the Kubernetes cluster?
So this is something that everyone think about, that once you have Crossplane, something terrible can happen. So what we did that everything, we also will contribute it later to the open source. They will contribute it. So what we did basically is to make sure that every change that you are doing, if someone deletes something or updates something, what happens behind the scenes, it's doing like Terraform, and then it's doing like observe. It's do only observe mode, meaning that you do see the change, you see the diff, and then you can understand exactly what is going to happen. And then after you see the diff and you approve it, so basically your changes are going to be applied on the cluster. So you delete something, you see the change, you understand what you're going to do, and then you can revert it or not revert it, and then you can apply it to the cluster. So let's summarize.
Yeah, so the bottom line is that we took Crossplane and we've built, like we took the good thing from Terraform, which is like the plan and observe, and we took the KCL language, which is like a typed, and it's really a language, it's a functional language. We import the resources to the IDE where we can actually work on them. We have a fast reconciliation loop where we see if someone made a change, we can decide if to override the change or just to see it. And it really helped us, and we provide one interface for all the resources, which is very good, and basically we can move much faster. But Crossplane has some learning curve. It's not like as run in a script, so it's not for every use case. It's for large use cases that has a lot of changes.
So most use cases are lean. So Elastic Cache, serverless, SQS, SNS, all of those are lean and are really tightly coupled to the application itself. Means that once you have a lot of them, you want to deploy everything through the same pipeline. So everything that is changed in the application, its code, configuration, or resource, you get it from one end to another from the same pipeline. Everything like SLOs and everything are saved, and then you can roll out really safe and quick. Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.